Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make something I'm calling, hey, hey, that's good veggies. This is what we do. First, we start with a pan. You can use a saucepan, a big frying pan, whichever is going to be easiest for you. We need 1 cup of water. And everything else is going to be done at the stove, so let's go over. In order to bring your water up to temperature, put the lid on, turn it to medium high, and it should only take a few minutes. It's boiling now. And then you need a teaspoon of veggie powder. Now, if you already have vegetable broth made because you make homemade vegetable broth, just put a cup in here, okay? So there's a cup of water with a teaspoon of veggie broth. Bring it back to temperature, stir it up a little bit, and the first thing you're going to put in is 3/4 of a cup of red onion. Now this 3/4 of a cup equals 1/4 of a medium red onion. And I wish I had measured it, but I didn't, but that's what it is. And you're just going to slice it. First you're going to cut it in half, and then you'll slice it up, and this is what you'll end up with, okay? So I'm going to put these in. And these are cooked for 2 minutes. This is 1 cup of sliced carrots. Now, recently I've been getting organic carrots and they've been really skinny. Now, you see that? That's how skinny they are. But this, after cutting them up, I had to use like 4 in order to get a cup. But whatever you have to do a cup of carrots, slice them up. And then cook them for 2 minutes also. This time, you're going to put the lid on because carrots are hard and they need to get the heat in them to soften them up, okay? Now, what I didn't say is you can use any type of onion you would like. I just think this tastes really good with red onion. But you could use Vidalia, white onion, whatever you prefer. Okay, so now you put in 2 cups of cauliflower and 2 cups of broccoli, all chopped. And at this point, you're going to turn the burner down to a medium low and cook for 5 minutes with the lid on. We're kind of steaming, smothering these vegetables so they get soft, but not too soft. The 5 minutes are over. Take this off. And here they are. Now, I tend to like a crunchy vegetable, especially broccoli and cauliflower. I don't like it real soggy. But if you do like it a little bit more done, just cook it for another couple of minutes, okay? We've got those delicious onions, cauliflower, carrots. This is kind of fast, I think. I think it's a fast way to get your veggies in you. And most of them are cruciferous. Do you remember cruciferous? Look at my video. Anyway, they're very, very tasty. Now, I would try it. Should I try it? Mm-hmm. It's very boiling hot. This is really good. I'll take a few more carrots. I think you're going to like this. It's simple, except for the chopping up. From start to finish, it's only going to take you about 10 minutes, and you'll have vegetables to eat. I thought about this, and you can also put this over brown rice, quinoa, noodles, and also add your favorite bean and make a whole meal out of it. This doesn't have to be just a vegetable. It could be a vegetable plus. Hey, hey, that's good veggies. That's what that is. Okay, so we're done for now. Don't forget to do the famous 3 things, plus go to our Amazon store. And if there's something you would like to see in there, we can look for it and then stick it in there for you. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so that every time a new video or something else that I may say is uploaded, you will get the notification. And that's what I want for you. And for you people that are out there watching me all the time, you non-subscribers, subscribe to my channel. It helps me and it'll help you too. because you'll know that I'll be here because you've subscribed to me and I'm doing this to benefit you. How's that sound? Okay? Okay. Bye for now.